हे कादल योगी होय 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 हे कादल योगी होय 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 நான் காதல் மதுவை குடித்து விட்டேன் கிண்ணம் உடையும் நானே உடைந்து விட்டேன் ஒரு நொடியில் ஞானம் அடைந்து விட்டேன் காதல் யோகி ஹோய் 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 நான் காதல் மதுவை குடித்து விட்டேன் கிண்ணம் உடையும் நானே உடைந்து விட்டேன் ஒரு நொடியில் ஞானம் அடைந்து விட்டேன் அந்த ஞானத்தில் யுகங்களை கடந்து விட்டேன் ஒரு காதல் வந்தால் போகி போகி காதல் போனால் யோகி யோகி காதல் யோகி காதல் யோகி காதல் யோகி ஹோய் 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 காதல் யோகி ஹோய் 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 காதல் யோகி ஹோய் 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 காதல் மதுவை குடித்து விட்டாய் அந்த மதுவுக்கு மனசை conversation is never gonna end go yourself and all your friends I don't wanna be like you 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 it's not like I don't care don't understand I'm not gonna get there holding your hand said I gotta stay in trust the process no one better say this
Mistake that happened between a barista and a customer, but I'm not so sure.
Yeah.
I think there could be a little malice in this interaction.
So, baristas of the country, we're going to need your help here, so stick around.
பொன்னே உன் கடிதத்தை திறக்கின்றேன் கடிதம் தீர்த்தவே மேகம் எல்லாம் சந்திரனும் சூரியனும் மஞ்சள் காரர்கள் காதல் கடிதம் தீர்த்தவே மேகம் எல்லாம் காகிதம்
Think if you're working behind the coffee machine every morning and you have that person who comes by all the time and says, just triple checking that that's almond milk, every now and then, you'd be tempted to go, you know what, have a little bit of skim.
They would say all the time.
Yeah.
They'd be like, what are you?
I reckon so. 31065. Baristas, we will keep you anonymous. Can you admit to having never intentionally stuffed up an order?
Have you ever done it on purpose?
Yeah.
Just couldn't take it that day. You're creating a bit of chaos.
Or maybe you're bored. Do you get bored and you just want to I don't know, it's...
You're a maniac, Maddie. What do you mean you get bored? You don't mess up orders just to keep work interesting,
Maybe
do
you
you?
do, to see if they'll notice.
You know what I think the baristas would do? I'd be intrigued to see if someone comes in and orders like 7 sugars and 5 shots of caramel. Do they go, there's no way I'm making this order?
Yeah.
No chance.
So what, they just turn them around or they just make something different?
Well, maybe you put 3 sugars in. Or maybe you put 10 sugars in just for the hell of it. I don't know. But you would think as a barista, with all the different orders you're getting, there'd have to be times you go, I'm not copping this anymore. This is doing my head in.
Well, let's put it to the test. 13-1065. Give us a call, baristas. Do you ever purposely mess up an order?
Yeah.
Just to mess with people?
We'll see if this actually happens after this. You're up late with Zach and Dom on Kiss. This is Lizzo.
up this morning to somebody judging me. No surprise for judging me. Don't know who I'm supposed to be. I'm just acting up and practice. Can never saying sorry. Found out in the end that I can only do it for me. You call it sensitive and I call it superpower. You just like empathy cause you think it gives you power. All I know is only God can judge me. I don't hide my heart, I wear it on me. I'm used to feeling